In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit notes in MIDI. I'll show you how you can open the editing window, change the placement of notes, how to shorten and lengthen notes, and insert and delete notes. So first we need to choose which track or section we're going to edit. I'm just going to go on this piano part here. So there's a few ways of opening it. You can go to this editing button, or you can press E on your keyboard to open it up. Or you can just double click the audio file and that will do it as well. So that brings up the editing window. And if you want a bit of extra space, you can get rid of the inspector on the side here, either by clicking the I up here or pressing I on your keyboard. So you can also bring this up for extra space as well, if you wanted to. So make sure the section that you want to edit is highlighted. So you can click through other ones and they'll come up as well. So if I click on orchestral kit at the top, it'll bring it up in the editing window and so forth. But for now, I'm just going to stick with the piano. And if you click on the window, the same way that you can zoom in and out of your main project can be done here as well. So you can play around with that. Now something else I'm going to do is I'm just going to solo the piano, so I won't hear the whole track when I play it through. I'll just hear the piano on its own. So I'll go up there and solo that. Now the piano section is all here visually. So it's all here in front of us. Here's all the notes that I played. And if you hover over the top of any note, it will tell you what that note is, just in case you wanted to know that. Now remember, this wasn't an audio recording as such. It's not a recording of someone playing live piano that was recorded with a microphone. This was me inputting MIDI, so it comes out like that, like you can visually see in the editing window, as opposed to a regular audio file with a regular audio tail. Now something you can do with MIDI, so one of the benefits of using MIDI is you can play around with these notes that you can see in front of you. So if you click on a note, you can move it anywhere you want in the window. So you can move it left, you can move it right. You can also move it up and down as well. So you can change where these notes are in the editing window. And I'll show you how to do that. So you can move it left. And you can move it right. Up and down. So you can kind of fix and change things afterwards. So here, for example, I played a G major chord. And if I wanted to make this a G minor chord instead, I don't have to play it in all over again. I can just change a note. So if I lower this, I can change it to a G minor chord instead of a G major chord. And let's say you played a wrong note, so you had played maybe this instead. Again, you can just fix it by changing the note. So as I said before, you can make these notes go pretty much anywhere. So up, down, left, right. So you've got a lot of free reign to edit there.